Good morning students and welcome to the class today. Today we will start with chapter 6, which is animating text and object. So let's start. Animations control how object moves in your slide. Transitions control how your presentation moves from one slide to the next. This lesson will teaches you how to create animations and transitions. What is animation? In the simple sense, animation is something that makes the slide objects move on a slide. Slide objects can be anything on a slide. These includes text, pictures, charts, smart art, graphics, shapes, or even movie clips. PowerPoint provides four types of animation: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. An entrance animation determines the manner in which an object appears on a slide. For example, an object can move onto a slide. An emphasis animation does something to draw attention to an object. For example, the object can become larger. An exit animation determines the manner in which an object leaves a slide. For example, an object can move off a slide. A motion path animation determines how an object moves around a slide. For example, an object can move from left to right. To animate an object, select the object you want to animate. Click the Animations tab. In the Animations group, click on Custom Animation. Custom Animations task pane will appear towards your right side. Click the Add Effect button. A drop-down menu will appear with four options: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. Choose your animation from the sub-menu. Preview the effect, click play, and then click slideshow. The animation number will be added to the next of the image. To modify an effect, PowerPoint lets you modify how you want the animation to start and the direction and speed of the animation. Click the Change button. A drop-down menu shows four animation options. Change the animation effect from any of the menu. Click the down arrow from the start, and then you can select the start method, whatever you want. Select the direction, select the speed. If the auto preview button is checked, then whatever animation you will click, that preview you can see here. You can also use play button to see the preview of the animation. Animation preview. To preview the animation on a slide, to preview the effect, click play and then click slideshow. To add transitions, slide transitions are like effects used in films to change from scene to scene. While they shouldn't be overused, sometimes they can add a little spice when changing from slide to slide. PowerPoint provides several transition methods. You can add sound to a transition and you can control its speed. You can apply a transition to select slides or to all the slides in your presentation. A transition can occur when the presenter clicks the mouse or after the amount of time you specify. To apply a transition to all slide, in the Animations tab under the transition to this slide group, click More button. A menu of transitions will appear. Select the transition from the list, then that particular animation will be applied. Apply to all. That will give each and every slide the same animation. To add a sound to a transition, choose Animations tab, click the down arrow next to the transition sound field, then choose the sound what you want. To set a speed of a transition, choose the Animations tab. In the transition speed drop down, select the speed at which you want the transition to play. Indicate how you want the slide transition to occur by selecting an option under the Advanced Slide heading. Select on mouse, click if you want the transition to take place when you click the left mouse button. Select automatically after if you want the transition to occur after specified time. Use the up and down arrow key in the blank box to specify the number of seconds which should pass before the transition takes place. Slideshow options. The slideshow tab of the ribbon contains many options for a slideshow. These options include preview the slideshow from the beginning, preview the slideshow from the current slide, setup slideshow, setup slideshow. This option allows you to set preferences for how the slideshow will be presented. The option includes whether the show will run automatically or will be presented by a speaker, the looping option, narration options, monitor resolutions, adding video. Video clips can be added to the presentation. To add a video clip, follow these steps. Click the movie button on Insert tab, choose movie from files or movie from clip organizer. As you will choose movie from file, one dialog box will appear. Select your movie and click OK. Before adding movie to the slide, the following option will appear. Click any option, whatever you want, and then movie will be added to your slide. The option tab will be activated as soon as movie is added to a slide. Create an action button on slide. PowerPoint provides built-in action buttons which can be inserted into a presentation and which provides hyperlink to other slides or to the other applications of files. Follow these steps. Open the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Shapes. As you will see down, you can see Action button. You have to click on it. Then you have to drag your mouse on the screen to get the button. As you will draw the button, one dialog box will appear. Okay, understood? When you will release the mouse button, the action setting dialog box will come. Make the setting whatever you want, then press OK. And then you can see the button is created. Change the action button color. By clicking on the action button, a format tab will appear on the ribbon. Click the format tab and you will have a variety of options for formatting the buttons in the ribbon. Select one of the colors from the default scheme. Select more fill colors to open the full color palette. Select fill effects to choose a unique background pattern. With this, we are finished with the topics. Thank you.